Fucking porno, man. Porno's all over the place. We didn't have porno. All the guys in the crowd, remember? We didn't have any fucking porno or any internet. What did we have? Remember?
Playboy.
No. Our father's National Geographic magazines. Right? Every 3 months you get a little African titty and you were fucking happy. I remember the first time I got laid, I had the girl put a fucking water jug on her head. I didn't know, that was sexy to me, you know? Let some fucking flies in the room, it was magic time. I'm Sicilian American and I have a lot of Sicilian relatives. Any Sicilians here? All in hiding. Good, good. Don't fucking give it up. Don't give it up. My cousins come over from Italy, you know, and apparently there's no Sicilian word for hotel because they all got to stay over my fucking house. My mother says, teach them some English. I said, all right, let's open a Holiday Inn. How's that? But they bring shit from Italy that we don't have as like a gift, you know? You know what they brought me this time that we can't get here? Italian porno. Ever see porno from Italy? It's really old-fashioned. He's fucking her while she's cooking. He's got her bent over the kitchen table while she's breading chicken cutlets. Fucking awesome. By the time the movie's over, you don't know whether you're hungry or horny.